यो प्रश्न हेरौ के तिमी यसलाई भोलिसम्म सिद्ध्याउन सक्छौ? Can you finish this by tomorrow? Can you finish this by tomorrow? उत्तरमा म सक्दो प्रयास गर्नेछु. I will try my best. I will try my best. मैले यसलाई सकाइन भने के हुन्छ अथवा पूर्ण गरिन भने के हुन्छ? What will happen if I don't complete it? What will happen if I don't complete it? तिमीले आफ्नो जागिर गुमाउनेछौ. You will lose your job. You will lose your job. नियमहरू यति कडा किन छन्? Why are the rules so strict? Why are the rules so strict? Strict भनेको कडा. Why are the rules so strict? तिमीलाई यी नियमहरूको बानी पर्नेछ. You will get used to these rules. You will get used to these rules. Get used to भनेको केही कुराको बानी पर्नु. You will get used to these rules. You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel, your place to learn English. आजको भिडियोमा यसरी नै प्रश्न उत्तरको अभ्यास गर्नेछौं. Let's continue. उनीहरूले तिमीलाई किन आदर गर्दैनन्? Why don't they respect you? Why don't they respect you? उनीहरूलाई लाग्छ कि म राम्रो मान्छे होइन अथवा उनीहरूलाई म राम्रो मान्छे होइन भन्ने लाग्छ. They think I am not a good person. They think I am not a good person. को हो गद्दार? Who is the traitor? Who is the traitor? Traitor को अर्थ गद्दार अथवा देशद्रोही. Who is the traitor? हामी छिटै थाहा पाउनेछौं अथवा हामी छिटै पत्ता लगाउनेछौं. We will find out soon. We will find out soon. के तिमी उसलाई माफ गर्दैनौ? Won't you forgive him? Won't you forgive him? मैले भनेको कुरा मान्यो भने मात्र म उसलाई माफ गर्नेछु. I will forgive him only if he does what I say. I will forgive him only if he does what I say. तिमी अरु कतै जान मिल्दैन र अथवा पाउँदैनौ र? Can't you go somewhere else? Can't you go somewhere else? मेरो अरु कतै जाने ठाउँ छैन. I don't have anywhere else to go. I don't have anywhere else to go. तिमीसँग कति पैसा छ? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? मसँग यो किन्न पुग्ने पैसा छ. I have enough money to buy this. I have enough money to buy this. Enough को अर्थ पर्याप्त अथवा पुग्ने. I have enough money to buy this. मैले तिमीलाई किन भन्नु अथवा म तिमीलाई किन भन्नु. Why should I tell you? Why should I tell you? तिमीले मलाई भन्नै पर्छ. You have to tell me. You have to tell me. के तपाई मेरो लागि यो ठीक गरिदिन सक्नुहुन्छ? Can you fix this for me, please? Can you fix this for me, please? यहाँ fix को अर्थ हो बिग्रेको कुरा बनाउनु अथवा ठीक गर्नु. Can you fix this for me, please? अब यसको उत्तरमा मलाई यो कसरी गर्ने थाहा छैन. I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, Hamro English Guru, if you haven't subscribed already. र हाम्रो online class channel लाई पनि subscribe गर्न नछुटाउनु होला. दुवै channel को subscribe को छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन अवश्य नछुटाउनु होला. अब हामी अगाडि बढौं. We will move forward now. अब यो हामी अर्को प्रश्न हेरौं. Let's take a look at this question. सत्य कसले बोल्दैछ? Who is telling the truth? Who is telling the truth? हामी सबैजना सत्य बोल्दैछौं. All of us are telling the truth. All of us are telling the truth. तपाई कसलाई भरोसा गर्नुहुन्छ? Whom do you trust? Whom do you trust? उत्तरमा म कसैलाई भरोसा गर्दिन अथवा म कसैको विश्वास गर्दिन. I don't trust anyone. I don't trust anyone. यो गन्ध कहाँबाट आउँदैछ? Where is this smell coming from? Where is this smell coming from? Smell को अर्थ गन्ध, बास्ना दुईटै हुन्छ. Where is this smell coming from? यो त्यहाँबाट आइरहेको हुनुपर्छ. It must be coming from there. It must be coming from there. यसलाई कति समय लाग्छ? How much time will it take? How much time will it take? त्यो काममा भर पर्छ. It depends on the work. It depends on the work. तिमी अर्को हप्ता कहाँ जान्छौ? Where will you go next week? Where will you go next week? मलाई लाग्छ म घरमै बस्छु. I think I'll stay at home. I think I'll stay at home. उनीहरू सबैजना कहाँ गए? Where did they all go? Where did they all go? उनीहरू सबैजना पार्टीमा गए. They all went to the party. They all went to the party. Be sure to like and share this video. यो भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न अवश्य पनि नछुटाउनुहोला। के तपाई एक क्षणको लागि यहाँ आउन सक्नुहुन्छ? Can you please come here for a moment? Can you please come here for a moment? उत्तरमा मलाई माफ गर्नुहोस्, म व्यस्त छु। I'm sorry, I am busy. I'm sorry, I am busy. के तिमीलाई उ सुध्रिन्छ जस्तो लाग्छ? Do you think he will improve? Do you think he will improve? उ कहिल्यै सुध्रनेवाला छैन। He is never going to improve. He is never going to improve. तिमीलाई त्यस्तो किन लाग्छ? Why do you think so? Why do you think so? मलाई त्यस्तो लाग्छ किनकि म उसलाई भरोसा गर्दिन। I think so because I don't trust him. I think so because I don't trust him. के म सफल हुन्छु? Will I succeed? Will I succeed? यसको एउटा राम्रो उत्तर हेरौं। तिमीले आफूमा विश्वास राख्यौ भने सफल हुनेछौ। You will succeed if you believe in yourself. You will succeed if you believe in yourself. आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै। This much for the video. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. राम्ररी बस्नुहोला. Take care and have a beautiful day.